everyone, welcome back to my channel. This is Unboxing Boxycharm. I keep on unsubscribing, subscribing back, and this month I subscribed back but pretty late in the game, so I didn't get the Dose of Colors eyeshadow palette, but you know, that's what I get for not deciding, and I am like wishy-washy about Boxycharm because there's variations that I rather get and I never get them because I don't know, it's wishy-washy with them as well, because it's like, oh, I want this, I wish you can pick your products, like all of your products, but you can't. And this was like $21 plus tax, so it came out for like 22 something. And then November it's gonna be 25, maybe tax, probably tax. But yeah, this is a pretty big box because I found a coupon where I can like get a free something Tarte if it was like blush palette or the eyeshadow palette. So yeah. I was late in the game, so I didn't get like the full variations of this month. So you get a pamphlet every month. This was variation 36. That is a lot of variations, I think. And this time you open it up and it's just like a card, and it's called After Dark. So this is an After Dark, and then it shows you in the back for next month they are starting introducing the bigger Boxycharm. Get the premium box worth $175, but it's $35. I'm pretty sure everybody's seen the first variation for the box, and it was okay products. Okay, not the best. I'm gonna stick with the standard box, introducing Boxycharm 2.0, better customizations. I can't say that right. More choices. So yeah, it'll be 5 products. Of course, there's always gonna be 5. Worth $125, only $25 per month, starting November 1st. Second, you customize your like one product. So that's interesting. Which I think Ipsy is the same too, but did not get the ultimate on Ipsy. That was a bust. Anyways, so you choose one product. You get to add on $3 to $18 each, which isn't bad. But, and then you get the Boxy pop-up where you shop for 80% off, I guess. So if you want to like pause the video and read all about it, if you can read it. I'm not sure if you can see that all the way. And when you open it up, you see what you're gonna get. And then this, not sure what that is. But right now they're doing a giveaway, a phone giveaway. Which is awesome. I like it, but I'm not gonna enter it. Okay, the first one is, I already tried this out. It's the glassy Touch and Soul. I guess it's a primer. Glassy balm, skin balm. Glassy skin balm. So it's like a primer. So after you wash your face, of course, apply this on. So it's like, to me, it's like a skincare and makeup, because it's like a primer. I threw away the box already because I wanted to try that out. Okay, next was this interesting. And I see other people that got this. Trestique. I never had anything from this brand. And it's a huge mascara. So you flip the top. And it's a curler, eyelash curler. Eyelash curler. Just pretty nice. And then you... Oh, I like that one. And it's a mascara. So it's a 2-in-1 mascara, which is pretty nice. I'll use that right away. And I like the big bulky package. It's pretty nice. I like that. Next was tweezers, which I like that it has a pouch. It's by Chella. So I got a couple brands from this. And they're a pretty good company. Pretty neat tweezers. I like getting tweezers. And that's what it looks like. Pretty nice. And unique. So that's what it looks like. Next was this iconic London, and it's a lip plumping gloss in Love Struck. So it's like a really light pink. And it smells like little tint of mint. It's not too strong, powerful. It's like a light pinky gloss, like that. Like with plumping lip glosses, you can feel the cooling of the plumpingness from it. And I got this Butter London, which I gave my other one to my mother. So I'll be keeping this because I was like, I should have kept it. But she likes it, and I'm going to keep this one because I do like the colors. I definitely like this one. A lot of people didn't like it, and I just like it. It looks fall to me. I'm going to try this out again because I was like, should I give it away? And I just got it. So I'm going to keep this one because I do like the colors. And then I got this Tarte Pro Glow and Blush that I got for free because I re-signed up, and I was like, okay, I'll get something for free. And this is what she looks like. So you always get the double mirror from this. And I like the front packaging from it. It's cool. And today I tried the bronzer out from this one, and I used this quite a bit. This is the other one that I got from Boxycharm. And now I have this one. This is mainly blush and highlighting. I love that sparkly one. I like the peach color. And then the pinky colors when you can go dark. And I like to mix them up. And this one looks like a bronzer, like a really sparkly bronzer. So I'm going to finish up my face. This might be a long video, I'm not sure. And I always use this for bronzing that I got from Boxycharm. It's really nice. The shades are Hi-Fi, Solo, Electric Beat, Tempo, and Amp. So like Hi-Fi, Solo, Hi-Fi, Solo, electric beat, tempo, and amp. Then I'm gonna use this. I like to really make sure I do my bronzing really good and showing. Ooh, and it has sparkles. And it's like really dark, but I use my fingers to like blend it out even more better because it looks like really chalky. But it shouldn't matter because I'm going to use blush. On top of it. So I use this fluffy brush. And I'm going in with, probably going to use 2 colors, I'm not sure. Ooh, I want to try this one out. This is Tempo. Then I kind of go over like on top of the bronzer. I like to layer them out. This side looks I can't even say it. Chalky. And thick. This one looks nicer. Alright, and then there's highlighting. So I use this brush for highlighting. I'm going to use this one. This one is Solo. Then I kind of go on top of the blush. Wow, I like that one. Always gotta do your nose. Yeah, I like that. So I got both of these now. Pretty awesome. I like that. And then Butter London Natural Goddess. That's the palette. I'm kind of bummed that I didn't get Dose of Colors because I was hoping. But I can probably order that on eBay because they sell it for like $20. So, that's okay. I'm going to go in with this primer. The hard candy one. This was like $5. I was going to put it on my finger, but I'm like, I don't put it on my finger, I just do this. Put it on my eyelids. And then all over the lids. Then I go inside my eye corner. And then underneath, so yeah. Okay. Then I just washed my brushes so they're all clean. I always like to use this one a lot. So I'm going to go in with Diva, this color. And I think this palette's really nice. I'm pretty sure a lot of you got this palette already from the past. And I did. And I gave it to my mom, so I'm going to keep this one. Because I do like it. The pigmentation is there. it's a pretty nice neutral palette, which I like this teal a lot. See how like good this palette is, but there was like a little bit of fallout. But I really like this color, that's pretty. I did like it, I'm just like, I was bummed that I gave it to my mom afterwards, but I was like, you know what, I'm gonna just let her keep it. Next I'm going in with this little brush. I'm going in something, I like Femme Fatale a lot. This teal color. I'm just gonna go in. Actually, I'm gonna go in with this one and then I'll go in with this one a little bit later. Because I like to add just both of them. With every time I used this before. And it's a really nice palette. It's going in my outer corner. I'm gonna probably stay with Boxycharm for now on because I always like debate on, do I really like Boxycharm, or is it because some products I don't use and I give to my mom to build up her collection, and I'm like always debating if I always should keep it or don't keep it. I think I'm gonna keep it because there are like certain things like this. I always get, you know, always lip products, mascara, sometimes, you know, but I always see like spoilers for next month, and I'm like, okay, I'm gonna keep it. Like, I always like, I should just kept it all of this long, you know. Oh well. I always like learn from my mistakes, like, okay, I think this time I'm gonna, cause like before I was like getting things that I didn't care for, and I always gave it to my mom, cause I like trying things out, just because they're different and I don't have certain things in my collection, so I always like to try everything out, and if I don't care for it too much or don't gravitate to it, I always just give it away to people I know and they like it that I know of, and yeah, pretty happy about, you know, giving things to people I know and like are gonna use it. So next I want to go, before I go into the teal, probably I like to go in the lightest color for, you know, mostly in the outer or inner part of the eyelid. So I might go in with Enchantress or Queen, and definitely go in with Femme Fatale. Like, I always do like the always simple looks. Probably Queen. For the inner part. It's fall. Let's make it like fall colors, right? Like this pinky color looks just like a red leaf when it falls on the ground. It's so beautiful. Like, I miss grass, I miss the leaves. The crunchy leaves and the beautiful colors, like, if you lived in a colorful state where it snowed and green grass and everything, and you moved to somewhere totally different, you really miss everything about, you know. So I went in with Queen, and now I'm going in with Femme Fatale, this teal color. And, you know, I always stamp it between the colors, just because it's different. I like stamping. I'm trying to use the same brush because I want to go in with probably Star, this like shimmery green color. I'm just lining it, kind of. And it cleans up where I like went too far up, so that's what it looks like. I like the fall colors in this palette, so I'm definitely gonna use this. Okay, next is this Trestique. I think that's what it says. I don't usually curl. Sometimes I do, but I do have this curling iron. I'm gonna use this because that's the only the eyelash curler, that I like to use. I'm scared of the other ones because it's metal, and I feel like one of those metal pieces is gonna pop out and catch my eye. And you have to do these with sections because it is a small eyelash curler. And I do like the spoolie on this because it reminds me of the Too Faced one that I like so much. So I'm glad I opened this up because I do want to try this. I see everybody else get this mascara, and I know that it's new, so I'm gonna probably mix it to an older one. So I'm gonna probably mix it up with the Too Faced because I don't like how like wet the lashes get. And this is my go-to favorite. It's just like the same spoolie. I love getting mascaras because I have so many. And you can do like so many looks with this, just using one of every shadow, which I should have put this one underneath, which I'm going to do now. I'm going to use a Tantris, whatever, underneath because it's such a light color. And then I'm going to go in my inner. That's cute. This is such a cute palette. It just doesn't get enough love. Because I see everybody list just like decluttering this palette. And I'm like, it was kind of good when I wore it. So I'm glad it's back in my life again. Because it is a good palette. Oh no, it's a big chunk. This is a pretty good mascara. Oh no, it's drying. I'm just gonna have to fix that up a little bit later. So when I like to use two mascaras, it's just to fix the new one up a little bit. And this is a big, bulky, bigger than the Too Faced one. Wow. I don't like it that thick, but... And this is already drying up, and I don't like that. Kind of looks the same now, right? I always like to do my lower lashes before I did was really into makeup. Before, I never really did my lower lashes. But you can see the difference. This is like really big, and then this is like thinner, I guess. So I'm pretty sure there's like a lot of products. And there's a lot of product in this one because I'm still using this from like, I don't know, a while ago. So I'm glad I got this. I like the big mascaras, and I haven't tried the other mascaras I got. Anyways, so this month was pretty good, and it's like really cooling. Doesn't stick on my lips. That's iconic. Let's see. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. What am I missing? Oh. So I got 6 products this month, and this box was pretty good. I was hoping the spray, which it probably couldn't fit in my box because it's a pretty big box, and the spray couldn't fit because I had an extra product anyways. I forgot the prices. So for everything, and you know, this was $45 anyways, but I got it for free, which is amazing. This Butter London is $32, so same price as Dose of Colors. Then $32 for this glassy. This was $26, pretty pricey, and I haven't really know this brand really well, so it's kind of new, and this is kind of new too, and this is $25, and this was $20, so pretty good box. I think it was like $132. Yeah, I think it was like $132 for this box, plus this, so like $180 something. I don't know. So yeah, this was a Boxycharm unboxing, and I got 6 products, so that was pretty good for $22 something. So yeah, please like, subscribe, and comment to my channel. Bye for now.